Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the next 3 letters of the Hiragana alphabet. In an introduction video, we learn what Hiragana writing system is, and then we learn the first 43 letters in Hiragana alphabet in last videos. I have put the links to those videos in the description box below. If you still haven't watched them, you can take a few minutes to watch them. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School yet, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Gambarimashou. First, let's learn how to read these letters. Wa, wo, Wa, wo, Now, let's learn how to write these letters. I have shown you the stroke order, and you can pause the video and write them down step by step. Remember, there are no words using the letter wo, and it is used only as a particle in Japanese language. When wo is used as a particle in a sentence, it is pronounced as the same as o. For an example, osake o nomimasu, I drink alcohol or sake. You can see here the letter wo is pronounced as the letter o when it becomes a particle. The letter n is sometimes pronounced as or n. Pay attention to the words with letter n when pronouncing. Let's look at some examples. Sampo suru, to take a walk. Tenki, weather. Ongaku, music. Sannin, 3 people. Hon, book. Now, let's learn some words we can write and read using these letters. Watashi, I. Wakaru, understand. Wasureru, forget. Niwa, garden. Kawaii, cute. Minasan, everyone. Kantanna, easy. Okasan, mother. Oto-san, father. Sumimasen, excuse me or sorry. Let's read them again together. Watashi, wakaru, wasureru, niwa, kawaii, minasan, kantanna, oka-san, oto-san, sumimasen. Well done! We learned the last 3 letters of the Hiragana alphabet today, and we learned 10 words we can write using the first 46 letters. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブしてライクしてくださいね。